Normally people call it turmeric, but I know it for saffron. So you see, that's about it. So it will give your dal a little color. Hello, my name is Clyde. Welcome to the hills of Paramin, and today I would like to invite you all into my kitchen. Okay, good day everyone. Uncle Clyde again once more. Hello to all my friends out there. Hope everybody is okay. In my kitchen today, I want to make dal and rice and long time thing. So I'm going to set up my pot now. As you can see, I have my piece soaking since yesterday afternoon. So right now it's swell up, which will be easier to soften.
So just like soaking water?
Yeah, just water. Some people normally put a little baking powder, but I didn't do that. I leave it soaking in the plain water. So now I'll add a little seasoning, as you see. Seasoning from my garden again, have everything in it. Anything you could think about, I have it there. Like chive, broadleaf, shadow benny, Spanish thyme, fine thyme, ginger, garlic, everything. So I know when I put that in the pot, I'm good to go. Now with that, you don't put too much seasoning because you don't want it to show. Now I'll put a little piece of saffron. I'll pong in it. I don't grate my saffron. I'll pong it. So I wash it out and in the pot. That just gives the dal a little color. Let's give it a little scratching, you see? Take out the outside.
So we in Trinidad call that saffron, but really it's turmeric, right?
Yeah.
So that's how you plant too, or?
Yeah. Normally people call it turmeric, but I know it for saffron.
How is it grown?
Yeah?
How is it grown?
Well, it go like ginger, just like ginger. If you notice it, similar to ginger. So as you just plant a piece, dice it. It keeps spreading, spreading, spreading over and over and over. You see? That's about it. So it will give your dal a little color.
You just leave that to boil now?
Yes, that all you have to do is boil up and get soften up, and if you need whatever other ingredients, I don't know. But right now, my seasoning have everything in it. So I don't have to put anything else in it. That's it. Okay, so now I'm going to check on my dal and see if everything is okay. As you can see, in the pot here, see how smooth and nice? Everything melt out. So with that, we're good to go. So that's about it now. Everything ready. Eat whatever. Love in the house.